Hi everybody, in this lesson we will learn some useful shortcuts to nudge layer or keyframe or the artwork in the workspace. Let's start by nudging the keyframes. As you can see here, I want to align these two keyframes together. I can't do this exactly by the mouse, so let's expand the timeline. As you can see, there are two frames between the two keyframes. I can select the first keyframe, press Alt and the left and right arrow to nudge the keyframe. I can also press Alt, Shift and left and right arrow to move the keyframe 10 frames. Jump forward or backward. If you press the right arrow, jumps forward, left arrow jumps backwards. You can select a bunch of keyframes and nudge them together. See? What if you want to nudge the layer? Let's return to the normal view. I want to nudge this layer one frame to the left or to the right. Or let's see, in this layer you can press Alt and push down and push up to nudge the layer to the left, to the right. Push down to the right, Alt and push up to the left. If you press Shift Alt push down, you will nudge it to forward 10 frames. If you press Alt Shift push up, you nudge the layer 10 frames backward. We have learned from previous lesson that nudging the head indicator by the push up and push down. You can move the timeline indicator by pressing push down and push up to move one frame forward or backward. If you press push down, you move one frame forward. If you press push up, you move one frame backward. If you press Shift and push down, you move the timeline indicator 10 frames forward. If you press Shift and push up, you move the timeline indicator 10 frames backward. These shortcuts are very useful in work fast in After Effects. That's it. Thank you and see you next lesson.